Welcome to the fattest man alive. We've got Resident Evil 8's Village 8.
That was my wrist.
Resident Evil's 70th anniversary village.
And we've also got...
Daisy, can you back the heck up, fam?
More like back that up. What?
Please do take a look at my new stuff.
Back that ass up.
I mean, damn, bruh.
I mean, fuck. The hesitation.
I mean,
Ah, fuck. Okay, where are we at? What's this place called? Factory?
Machine Madness, yeah.
Heisenberg's house.
okay.
Have a wonderful
Have
adventure.
a wonderful adventure.
This one's
Alright.
called Pizza on the Roof.
I call this one Pussy Chronicles.
It's like the movie Chronicle, but everyone's naked and a woman.
And they're also all women with fat vaganga.
Not my vaganga.
It's like
He's eating a
Francis
corn dog.
Resident Evil.
The middle is cold.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
I love a cold middle.
No, it's not okay. Just get the fuck out of my way.
I can't game.
Fuck.
Daisy, run. My bite.
I'll put the vine inside you. You guys keep gaming. Don't worry.
Please, thank
Still
you.
there.
Oh, I'm still gaming. Whether or not your black ass is here.
I miss my corn dog.
Corn dog. Oh, fuck.
My friend always likes to bring up this fun fact that her grandpa invented the corn dog but didn't patent it. And so she says that she's the inventor of the corn
Can't
dog.
she prove it?
No, so sometimes
Tell her she's a
wow.
liar then.
I'm so distracted by this cat.
She's giving me the eye of, I'd like for you to pet me. And I'm
It's
like, ma'am.
it's giving
It's giving,
it's giving pet me vibes.
it's
Look at her ears
it's-
just
it's
not
giving-
about this.
it's giving,
It's giving
it's giving.
it's giving pussy cat. It's giving big old pussy girl cat. It's giving Is there something in that room? Debauchery. That thing. What's that?
It's a man.
Is he dead?
No.
Can you shoot him?
It might wake him up. Like,
Oh.
He might come kill me.
Oh, we don't want that.
He has drills on his arm.
I have a drill.
He would be a problem. He would be an issue.
Oh.
You said you have a drill.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
and
awake
it's
now.
swinging. Krakatoa.
Lockpick? I got one of those. I got 3 of those.
This many.
Eat the lockpick. Look at the fucking muzzle on this thing.
Wow.
It's still loud. You already know it is. Ah, yes, finally. I do be missing them.
Oh. Oh. I see.
Hey, Peter!
Hey, whoa! Peter. It was always like oddly sexual. Peter.
Peter, pull my pants down and give me a kiss.
I don't know, Chris. Go ask your father.
Father.
Stewie. Remember when the dog wanted to fuck Lois? Oh,
Oh, that
hi.
scared me, actually.
Oh.
There's a few
oh
of
my!
you boys.
I thought it was a cutscene. There's so many.
Just like that?
Mm.
Back with a corn dog.
Oh
It's like you
boy,
never
oh boy,
left.
Oh boy.
I'm joking your bite, too.
Thank you.
You can see that that's hot now.
That's definitely boiling.
It's definitely gonna boil my skin
Thank
off.
you.
This the corn dog factory?
Yeah, how'd you
Yeah.
know?
That's why mine's still hot.
Piping. Dick writing flavor.
Dick right.
With the amount of pussy that I have concocted.
Tastes like she's a top.
Excuse me.
Tastes like she's a power bottom.
I see it.
What makes somebody a power bottom?
When
They'd be generating all the power from the bottom.
yeah, they don't just like lay there.
Because the bottom would be flipped over, but a power bottom would be like dicking you.
Power bottom is
Any
a top.
questions, class? Power bottom as in top.
I'm a power top. I'm a weak top.
Ooh, a power
What would
top.
that
That's
called? What would that
crazy.
be called?
Submissive and
powerless
breedable.
top. Oh yeah, that's another. I'm like,
Powerless top.
what are the words? It's locked
Um,
from the other side. Okay.
floppy toppy.
I was telling T it's like not scary because there's no sound.
Oh.
This is true.
This area isn't that scary in general. I don't think.
It scared me, cause they're like all quiet, and then there's like 18 of them lined up, and you're just like, oh god, don't come to life. Also, you're not supposed to have infinite ammo yet, so it should be scarier. But it's okay. I don't really give a fuck. I just thought I'd acknowledge it. I thought I'd acknowledge the elephant in the room. Yes, my dick is fucking huge. I know.
Hey, can you stop talking about your dick, bro?
No, I can't. I simply can't.
Yeah, let him keep going. What?
What?
Daisy.
What? Daisy,
Daisy's
stop,
not even
stop.
here.
Daisy, stop talking about that. That's weird.
I got that thing on me, swinging on me.
Oh, thank God.
Dirty ass map that you can't read.
Let's see. The...
Do you open the box? Or no?
Nah. Like this box
Yeah.
right here with the X button?
Yeah.
Nah, I can't.
Frankenstein.
Got me.
It's him.
He'll never get me.
Got me.
He'll never get me. Will he come in?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay. Why's he got a chest?
Bitch, I'm bucking back.
He's got a big dumb chest. Just for me.
Oh. Oh.
I tried to push into me.
Where's your heel?
Oh, I have one. I didn't think I had one.
Oh no.
The clicking of me trying to not only push him, but to heal. Oh, shout out to autosaves.
Corndog update.
Hmm.
It's good.
Nice.
It's is it bursting?
It's corny. It's doggy.
It's corny.
Corndog update.
What more
Still
can I ask
corny.
for?
Corn dog update. The corn dog bros. That's us.
Corndog bros. Oh shit! I used to have this shirt when I was a youth. It was
Said corn dog bros on it.
it was a Mario Bros shirt, as if they were like a real company, and it was Mario and Luigi on it. It was like, call insert number here and plumbing service, blah 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 blah. And I used to imagine Corndog Bros with that.
We should make that.
Please,
I'd buy it.
you know,
How strong is he?
not very.
How strong is he?
Oh my god! Holy shit! I don't remember that.
He just straight up.
Ugh. That's where it came from. Oh no.
Wait. Can I see?
Yeah. By all means. I thought you were gonna take it from me. I was like, yeah, please take this shit away from me.
I was taking a bite of my corn dog and you said, "Wait, can I see?" I was like, I was prepared to hand it to you.
I need to use my cog mold.
Oh.
Assistant boys. Oh fuck.
Oh.
Grab it! Ah! Okay. Oh, he's running away. He's scared of him. He's scared of him. He's weak. He's weak. He's
So
weak.
damn, this bro. Kind
Bro.
of
Alright, dude. Alright, man. Now, this looks like somewhere where somebody would try and hurt me.
Nah.
They would never.
No way.
You're safe. Why are you scared?
Me scared?
That's what I say over there in the com.
It's me.
Bro, relax. Like,
Dude, calm down. Like, as they're trying to fucking murder him.
Bro,
This is
chill,
Bill.
chill, chill.
This is Frank, dude. You know, Ocean. Ah,
Oh my God,
now
Bill.
We're cooking.
Billy Frank Ocean.
Bill the Thee.
The
Bill Tholomew.
Bill
Upstairs,
follow
upstairs.
Yeah, no, I gotta see.
Oh.
I gotta check my shit. Might be some shit from me. I don't know if I can know.
Do you have to use the shotgun?
I don't have to, but it does damage. You schmarm me? I'll switch to the handgun.
Please.
Throw a pipe bomb. Fuck it.
Swing and a miss.
Exactly.
Boom. Oh my god. Boom. Oh. Never got sold. Music to my ear holes.
I knew there was a bitch around here.
Oh, hey,
I could
Jake.
Smell him.
Boom. Please. Oh.
Huh? He cheated. Nah, fuck this guy. He's cheating.
Oh!
Dude, get up. Holy Molly.
Oh. Oh, heavens.
Heavens to Bartsy. This guy, Ethan Winters. Holy shit. Am I safe? Like, is that what that little cut?
Oh my gosh. He's like hitting that door though.
He's just making dust. He's farting. That don't mean nothing to me. Oh yeah, we're hella safe. This is the you can't touch me room.
This is my
wait,
no-no
I can
square.
summon the man and I can save.
Summon.
Come here. I want you.
I can't believe he cut his hand off and put it back, and I can still see the stitching of the sweater or the jacket.